Sunflowers, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to wrap gifts. Hey Sunflowers, welcome back to the channel, and today I will be showing you how to wrap your own gift. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this out. I will be wrapping a box. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna be showing the name, but I will be wrapping a box. So I will be showing you guys how I will be wrapping it. Or actually, well, I'm gonna put that down. Show you how I will be wrapping this box. Okay. So I'm just gonna measure it like so. Put it back in this part. Sometimes what I do is how I make it. So I take this and I flatten this out correctly, and then I'm going to first I'm going to measure it off the box. No, lay out the paper and then measure the box. Then I'm going to then I'm going to lay this straight, and then come and take the rest of this roll, which is trying to fall off the table, and measure it to the correct length. Of the box, like so. And this is how it's done. On the box, like so. So with me, I make an indent, or I make an indent with the scissors. So once you get done measuring it, then you will take this piece right here to see how much it covers it, and then you will come back and take this roll of paper and see how much you will need to roll to meet up to this point. Sorry y'all, I didn't show y'all the tape. So I usually tape in the middle and then I'll start to come along, but I missed a little bit, so it's okay. So I'm going to now fold this part, because this is the part that everybody struggle with. So I'm going to show you how I fold it and tape it. Okay, so now we're onto the folding part. So this is what I do. I take it sometimes and I go along the edges right here to make sure it make a dent, and then I will also, sometimes I line them up, but I will also press against. I want to show you guys right here on this side. I will straighten this out first, but also press against the corner right here and make that, and then this will bend. This will bend sometimes and make that shape that you want, the shape that everybody sees, the triangular shape that everybody tries to get, and then you have a perfect corner piece, so you don't have to worry about any jagged edges or anything. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Oh, you guys probably can't see. Yeah, now I'm getting the other side. I'm going to do the same thing. This is a different box, but I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to take it, get the corner pieces, corner edge right here. I like to bend it down. Fold it against the box. Push this down so you guys see this part. So this is how you know your box is very much complete. And some people just fold this right here, take it, and that's pretty much it. But sometimes I like to correct the edges. You can see, like right here, sometimes I like to get folded. So I'll take it and I'll correct it, do what I need to, and tape it. So that's what we have our one side so far. See? Here's what I do, because I don't like how big this is. I take one part and I fold it again take one part and I fold it again. And I'm going to make the crease hold. Ooh, I'm going to make the crease right here. Fold this back. Fold this back. And then I'm going to put that up top. So now it looks like this. Because I don't like the other part. Now that I'm done, I tape it, of course. So my sides look like this. And I flip it around. And the box, it is magical. Clean slate. The edges are completely fine. Not too much. Some of them don't have the crispy edge. But it still gives off a full box shape. And that's what you want.